Love cooking? These 7 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets will save you time and make cooking easier. Stick around. 1 is a game changer. The Trivet 4-in-1 kitchen accessory is a versatile tool for any cooking enthusiast. It functions as a lid holder, trivet, pan holder, and cake stand, helping to keep the kitchen organized and efficient. Designed with a modern collapsible frame, heat recess cone, and a sturdy build that holds up to 10 pounds, it's perfect for serving, cooling, and displaying food. With its sleek design and practical use, it makes a great addition to any kitchen and a thoughtful gift for home cooks. The Vikea Mandolin Slicer is a must-have kitchen tool for effortless slicing and chopping. Made of durable stainless steel with adjustable thickness settings, it cuts vegetables and fruits with precision. It includes a safety hand holder and cut-resistant gloves for worry-free use. Easy to clean and foldable for storage, this slicer saves time and makes meal prep a breeze. A great gift for home cooks. The Panacea wireless meat thermometer ensures perfectly cooked meals with its guided cooking system and precise temperature control. Featuring an 800-plus foot Bluetooth range, instant alerts, and a long battery life, it lets you monitor your food remotely via the app or built-in display. Heat-resistant and waterproof, it's ideal for grills, ovens, smokers, and more. The Kitchen Mama electric can opener makes opening cans effortless with just the press of a button. Battery-operated and hands-free, it cuts smoothly along the side, leaving safe, smooth edges. Its ergonomic design is perfect for seniors and those with limited hand strength. A must-have kitchen gadget for easy and convenient meal prep. The Royal Craft Wood Bamboo Cutting Board is a durable and stylish kitchen essential. With a spacious design, deep juice groove, and knife-friendly surface, it's perfect for meal prep, serving, and charcuterie. Made from 100% natural bamboo, it's eco-friendly, slip-resistant, and easy to clean. A great addition to any kitchen. The Bifon silicone faucet drip catcher is a must-have kitchen and bathroom accessory. Designed with a sloped surface for quick drying, it prevents water buildup and keeps countertops clean. Made from durable, reusable silicone, it doubles as a sponge holder and soap tray for added organization. A practical upgrade for any sink. The Umite Chef 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set is perfect for any kitchen. With airtight lids, grater attachments, and non-slip silicone bottoms, these bowls make mixing, serving, and storing effortless. Nesting for easy storage and dishwasher safe, they come in 6 sizes with extra kitchen tools for added convenience. Durable and stylish, they're a must-have for home chefs.